Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Now we are going to do the problems in exercise 2 from the chapter measurements. First question, fill in the blanks. Here 5 meter 10 centimeter is equal to dash centimeter which is equal to dash meter. Here we are going to write the given unit 5 meter and 10 centimeter. First we are going to write a centimeter and we are going to write as meter. Okay. Here the given measurement is 5 meter 10 centimeter. Here already the 10 centimeter is in centimeter. So we are going to convert 5 meter to centimeter. Here meter is a greater unit, centimeter is a smaller unit. So to convert the greater unit to smaller unit, we have to use multiplication. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Here the given measurement is 5 meter and 10 centimeter. Now we are going to convert 5 meter to centimeter. So we have to use multiplication 5 into 100 centimeter plus already we are having 10 centimeter, that 10 centimeter. Now 5 into 100, 500 centimeter plus 10 centimeter. Now we have to add 500 plus 10, we will get 510 centimeter. So 5 meter and 10 centimeter is equal to 510 centimeter. We got the answer in centimeter. Now we are going to convert into meter. So the given measurement is 5 meter and 10 centimeter. Here already 5 is in meter, we are going to convert 10 centimeter to meter. Here smaller unit to greater unit. So we have to use division. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. Okay, now we are having 5 meter and 10 centimeter. Here 5 meter as it is plus we are going to convert 10 centimeter to meter. So 10 divided by 100 meter. While dividing a number by 100, according to the number of zeros in the denominator, we have to keep the decimal point. So 5 meter plus, here the decimal point will come in front of 2 digits, 1, 2, 2 digits before. So that is 0.10 meter. Now we are going to add these two numbers. 5 is a whole number and 0.10 is a decimal number. So here I am going to add two zeros. Here 0, 0 plus 1, 1, point. Here 5 plus 0, 5. So the answer is 5.10 meter. This is 5 meter and 10 centimeter. Now we got the answer in meter. So we have to write the answer for the given question. What is the given question? 5 meter 10 centimeter is equal to, here we got the answer in centimeter, that is 510 centimeter, which is equal to in meter, that is 5.10 meter. Is it clear, children? To convert the greater unit to smaller unit, we are using multiplication. Here to convert the smaller unit to greater unit, we are using division. Is it clear? The next one, 10 kilometer 150 meter is equal to dash meter and dash kilometer. First we are going to convert the given measurement to meter and then kilometer. First we are going to convert kilometer to meter, that is greater unit to smaller unit. So we have to use multiplication. So we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Here the given measurement is 10 kilometer and 150 meter. We are going to convert 10 kilometer to meter. 150 already it's in meter. So 10 into 1000 meter plus 150 meter. Here 10 into 1000 we will get 10,000. 10,000 meter plus 150 meter. Now we have to add these two. Here 10,000 is a 5-digit number and 150 is a 3-digit number. We have to arrange it properly. Here 0, 0 plus 5, 5, 0 plus 1, 1, 0, 1. Here 10,150. So 10,150 meter. This is 10 kilometer and 150 meter is equal to 10,150 meter. Now we got the answer in meter. Now we are going to convert it into kilometer. Smaller unit, meter to kilometer, smaller unit to greater unit. So we have to use division. We know that 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. The given measurement is 10 kilometer and 150 meter. Here already 10 is in kilometer, so we have to keep as it is, plus we are going to convert 150 meter to kilometer. So 150 divided by 1000 kilometer. While dividing a number by 10,000 and 100, we according to the number of zeros in the denominator, we need the decimal place. Here in the denominator, 3 zeros are there, so we need 3 decimal places. The numerator 150 is there, so 1, 2, 3. Before 3 digits, we have to keep the decimal point. Then this is 0.150 kilometer. Now we have to add these two. Here 10 kilometer is a whole number and 0.150. In 10, the decimal part is 0. Now we have to add here 0, 5, 1 point, here 0 plus 0, 0, here 1. So 10.150 kilometer. 10.150 kilometer. This is 10 kilometer and 150 meter. Now we got the answer in kilometer. For the given question, we are going to write the answer statement, that is 10 kilometer and 150 meter is equal to 10,150 meter, which is equal to, in kilometer, that is 10.150 kilometer. Is it clear, children? Here the given question is 10 kilometer and 150 meter. First we convert it into meter. Here greater unit to smaller unit, by using multiplication we convert, and then meter to kilometer, smaller unit to greater unit, by using division we have converted. So this is the answer. Is it clear? Then the next one, 25 centimeter 5 millimeter is equal to dash millimeter and dash centimeter. We are going to convert centimeter to millimeter and millimeter to centimeter. So we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Here the greater unit to smaller unit. So multiplication, 25 centimeter 5 millimeter is equal to, we are going to convert 25 centimeter to millimeter. So we have to use multiplication, 25 into 10 millimeter plus already 5 millimeter is there, that 5 millimeter. Then 25 into 10, that is 250 millimeter plus 5 millimeter. 250 plus 5 will get 255 millimeter. So 25 centimeter and 5 millimeter is equal to 255 millimeter. Now we are going to convert into centimeter, millimeter to centimeter. So we have to use division. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. Here the given measurement is 25 centimeter and 5 millimeter. So we are going to convert 5 millimeter to centimeter. So 25 centimeter plus 5 by 10 centimeter. Okay, here 25 centimeter. In denominator 1 0 is there, so we need 1 decimal decimal place. So here 5, before one digit we have to keep the decimal point, then it will become 0.5 centimeter. Now we have to add these two. Here 25 centimeter, 25 is a whole number, here the decimal part is 0. Then next one 0.5. Now we have to add 0 plus 5, 5, then we have to keep the decimal point, 5 plus 0, 5, here 2. So that is 25.5 centimeter. So 25 centimeter and 5 millimeter is equal to 25.5 centimeter. Here we got the answer in millimeter and we got the answer in centimeter also. So let us write the answer statement. 25 centimeter, 5 millimeter is equal to 255 millimeter, which is equal to 25.5 centimeter. Was it clear, children? Then the next question, fill in the blanks. The length of your TV remote is 155 millimeter. Write the measurement in centimeter. We are going to write the given measurement in centimeter. So millimeter to centimeter. Millimeter is the smaller unit. We are going to convert the smaller unit to greater unit. So we have to use division. So 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. Here we are having 155 centimeter is equal to 155 divided by 10 centimeter. According to the number of 0, we have to keep the decimal point. So the the numerator number is 155. We need one decimal place. So from the last, before one digit, we have to keep the decimal point. Then it will become 15.5 centimeter. So 155 centimeter is equal to 15.5 centimeter. So the length of the TV remote is 15.5 centimeter. Is it clear, children? The next question, length of your max book is 28.5 centimeter. We need the answer in millimeter. Length of the max book in millimeter. Here centimeter is a greater unit. We are going to convert the greater unit to smaller unit. So we have to use multiplication. We know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Here we are having 28.5 centimeter, which is equal to 28.5 into 10 millimeter. While multiplying a number by 10, according to the number of 0, we have to move the decimal point to the right. Here 1 0 is there, so we have to move the decimal point one place to the right. So the decimal point will come at the last. Then the number will become a whole number. So 285 millimeter. So 28.5 centimeter is equal to 285 millimeter. So the length of the max book is equal to 285 millimeter. Is it clear, children? We are converting the greater unit to smaller unit. So that is multiplication. The next one, height of a tree 8.15 meter. Here 8.15 meter. Here whole number part is the greater unit meter and the decimal part is the smaller unit centimeter. In 8.15 meter, the whole number part 8 is the greater unit meter and the decimal part 15, that is 15 in smaller unit centimeter. Okay, then length of a child's arm 0.45 meter. We have to write in centimeter. Greater unit to smaller unit. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, we have to use multiplication. So 0.45 meter is equal to 0.45 into 100 centimeter. Here we are multiplying the number by 100. So, according to the number of zeros, we have to move the decimal point to the right. Here 2 zeros are there. So, we have to move the decimal point 2 places to the right. Then the decimal point will come at last. Then the number will become a whole number, that is 45 centimeter. 0.45 meter is equal to 45 centimeter. So, the length of the child's arm is equal to 45 centimeter. Was it clear, children? The next one, distance run by a marathon runner is 42,195 meter. We are going to convert it into kilometer, meter to kilometer, smaller unit to greater unit. So, we have to use division. So, 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Here what is the number given? 42,195 meter is equal to 42,195 divided by 1000 kilometer. Here in the denominator 3 zeros are there. So, in answer we need 3 decimal places. So, we have to keep the decimal point here 1, 2, 3. Before 3 digits we have to keep the decimal point, then it will become 42.195 kilometer. So, 42,195 meter is equal to 42.195 kilometer. This is the distance run by a marathon runner. Okay. Then the next one, length of the road is 0.45 kilometer. We need the answer in meter. Kilometer to meter. Greater unit to smaller unit. So, we have to use multiplication. Okay, we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay, here we are having 0.45 kilometer is equal to 0.45 into 1000. Greater unit to smaller unit, that is multiplication. So, we have to multiply it by 1000. Here, while multiplying a number by 1000, according to the number of 0, we have to move the decimal point to the right. So, here we have to move the decimal point 3 places to the right. Here we are having 2 places. We need one more place. For that place, we have to add 1 0. Now, that is 450 meter. 0.45 kilometer is equal to 450 meter. So, the length of the road is equal to 450 meter. Is it clear, children? To convert the greater unit to smaller unit, we are using multiplication. To convert the smaller unit to greater unit, we are using division. Is it clear? Hope you all understand. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.